how to use Generative Fill AI for skin retouching in Photoshop 2024. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel Design Dynamo. Today we are exploring a groundbreaking feature in Photoshop 2024, Generative Fill with AI Skin Retouching. So let's get started with the tutorial. Now guys, let's get started how to retouch skin by using Generative Fill. So all we need to do few steps before write any prompt in Generative Fill. Let's talk about the concept. When you directly use Generative Fill, it's not going to resemble the image. So we have to work with transparencies. For example, select our subject here, go to Contextual Taskbar. If you'll not find Contextual Taskbar from here, so you'll just go to Windows and here you will find Contextual Taskbar. So first I'm going to select our subject and hit Generative Fill and type a prompt skin retouching. Click Generate. And now you can see these are absolutely unrelated to our image. So let's undo this all. Deselect our selections. Let us make a 40% selections. So step 1 is to navigate the channels. Go to layers and here you'll find the channels, or if you not find here, so go to Windows and here you will find channels. So go to layers and here you will find the channels, and let us make a 40% selections. So create a new alpha channel. Downside here you will see a little icon. So create a new alpha channel. And guys, you'll see this channel comes in black color, so we need to change it shades of gray. So let us fill with 40% gray. So click here in the foreground window, and here we just change the brightness to 40%, and here you will see hue and saturation, so set to 0 and hit OK. Just go to channels and now press Alt backspace or Option Delete on Mac. Now we will make selections based on that. Now by holding click Control or Command click on this alpha channel. So now we have 40% of selections here. So just forget it, this warning, and hit OK. And after that, you just enable our RGB panels, and here you will see. And just go back to layers here and select this layer. And now just zoom in a little bit. Now grab the brush tool and carefully paint over the areas such as eyes, nose, lips, mouth, facial features that you don't want to change. So here I'm going to paint over the area which I don't want to change. And go back to channels and make it unselected and select our RGB layers. And after that, just go to Generative Fill and write a prompt skin retouching and hit Generate. And look at this guys, check out the variations and select the perfect image which is generated by AI and which is resembled to your image. I think this one is totally just like our image. So let's do further steps. And now guys, go to layer panel, and here you just going to select the layer mask, and here just press Ctrl or Command I to invert the mask. And then go to brush tool, pick up a brush tool and choose the foreground to white color and paint over the skin area to reveal the new skin textures and tone which is generated by AI. I'm going to do this. And now look at this, guys. There is before and after. And after that, you will finish the retouching, and you can enhance other aspects of image such as lip color, brightening eyes, and more. So let me show you eyes pop-up. So at curve layer, adjustment layer, so go to curves, and here I'm just going to brighten up a little bit this image, and go back to layers, and here press Command I to invert this layer mask. And here I'm just going to select brush tool, go to tool panel, and here going to select the brush tool, just discrete the size, and here I'm going to select this to linear dodge, and going to fill opacity, reduce the fill opacity, and paint over the eyes, enhance the eyes more. So I'm going to reduce it, fill, and look at this, guys. Just going to reduce, and look at this, guys, before and after. Now, guys, this is all about how to retouch your image by using Generative Fill AI. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, Design Dynamo. Thanks for watching.